What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger reaction. And you already see what we are dealing today, now people. Can you see me? Can you see me with the purge mask? Can you see me with the war mask? You know we are dealing with today, a war we are dealing with. Yeah man, can you see me with the purge mask? You don't know we are purge out all of the fake dancehall artists, all of the fake rappers, all of the fake clashers. You see me? We are purge them out. Yeah man, I don't know guys, this is the war mask, you know, so anytime you see me I wear this, I don't know say a war time. You see me, cause the last video I check out with fully bad. You see me when I dog them night. Actually, I've one of them masks. I say, hold on there, I want to go on. You see me, if I turn this in my war mask, man, cause dark on, you see me? Yeah man, put dark out TV style dog. You see me? But yeah man, we did another reaction and we're back in the war today. We got fully bad. I want to name David Murda Goliath. And this is the third installment and the clash between Fully Bad and DEMARCO. Yeah man, we just listened to Dog Food, which was the first one, and we listened to Fully Bad already. You see me? So yeah man, we're there with David Murda Goliath. This is the third installment in the war. We're gonna see what Fully Bad I deal with. You see me? And Fully Bad have to come correct, you know man. You see me, cause DEMARCO are going good. So Fully Bad have to come correct in the war. You see me? Yeah man, so we're gonna jump in the track, we're gonna go hold up the vibe much longer. Come on, know what going on, man. The war nice, no cap. The little war nice. You see me? Open a ton like Blood Clean, TJ and Byron. But we're gonna jump in it, no cap. This is Fully Bad, David Murda Goliath. Let's get it.
I'm sure me heart like no pussy. Me live for me but no. No, me can't do that. No pussy batty boy.
No boy. With a lie dog, yo, the intro mad, you know man. Come on, don't disappoint.
Your pussy face now miss this a scope. Bring this a rod but like Christopher Cook. Every higher than a Christian alone. And they gonna
shots fire already. You see me? Nah, me so hey the cool now, me so short bro, bad like Christopher Cook. Big up Dodos. I want to them man, I want to man. Yeah man, bad man, tune man, kick it off right.
What's a bug G in your phone? Yeah, fuck mouth, Marco, watch too much porn. When we a bleach with this till it change my skin tone. One door this shit got 59 clothes. One roll him up tone and bust him at close. Big gun liar, should I keep quiet? Remember David Murda Goliath.
Bad, big gun liar, should I keep quiet? Remember say a David Murda Goliath, you know man. I'm told him come in.
Tail in your face till she tired. Select the lion, reject the giant. Similar to
oh shit, he's addressing the part where DEMARCO say what we sang about me to puppy tail. Yo, he say you got a puppy tail in your face till she tired. That's crazy.
Igloo, rub and secure. In a badness enough thing we contribute. You nah make no up you no ever yet kill you. Somebody get fuck and I never prostitute. Scope on the broom, aim on me shoot. Brain palm me shoes, chain and recruit, no fight one lose.
Brain palm me shoot, chain and recruit, dog. Come on, man, yo.
We that we choose. They are sat up with the cape on me. Run up. 50 pound to standard Glock, ya unusual, a brutal, crucial. We do human who bad proof. Inna the DEMARCO face, the girl them booty clap. Me go hot up round the second gun need a.
No. Inna the what? Inna what? The girl them booty what? What? Yo, that's
cool and we full of tool, fuck mechanic I the tool pan. Rifle more too long, good belly at the pan. Ride up, kickstand, pistol, ching chang, zigzag, sing song.
Oh my, DEMARCO head that on the computer? Hold on, okay. Oh shit, that's DEMARCO head on the computer screen, bro. Is that the artwork? Bro, I gotta check it out. That's crazy, gang. Come on.
Long good belly at the pan. Ride up, kickstand, pistol, ching chang, zigzag, sing song, bandolier up in chaz. 31 in other clip, ya na libra. Me close to this hair like Bob and Rita. Set a exam, so them more figured. So we got the K full of stripe like zebra.
Boy, easy now, man. I want to them, man. Fully bad, I go on, I didn't think no gang.
Love you 14, but the tire bigger. Everyone hell pack up in the Beretta. 10%.
Everyone hell pack up in the Beretta. Hey, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's a crazy line right there. Come on.
The dance all of me nigga next 90% make you all send me cheaper. Some can send a screenshot. Did and bust up your face with the 16. My friend them for chicken. Fucking idiot. Bullet turn over fat fucking at the meat pot. Love chat. Darkins free. We are.
But this is fast though. This nigga got a whole video. You give me a whole song and a video ready the next day, bro. Fully bad. I gotta give extra points to that one, bro. No cap.
Big bomb like Darling Street. Hot up them black like morning tea. Catch them group up like all in key. Brawling pre, the 40.
Yo, come on, man. I took them black like morning tea. Catch them group up like all in key. Come on, man. You doing this thing?
Sweet, that strap you full of views with Stam TV.
Yo,
get it fan
big Stam, big up yourself.
Them know what the artist do it. What them know about Asian gun? What? Dark like how grab a step on lungs. Marco, dead make it stay like suck. Me sleep in a bush till daylight.
Hey man, fully bad doing this thing, bro. Me nah lie, my chap gang. In my chap gang. Come on.
Come have two friends up on the same rifle. Watch how you call up grand spending on your song. You can't go a piece from your this fully bad. That thing they and put up on the stand. Boss man cut time couldn't better than pussy. Chase like girl. Call me.
Yeah, dogs, I be a chasing the mark of the pan. Yo, fully bad dog. I don't think now fully bad say nah I'm back down, bro. You see me?
Man, bitch, batty boy. Shot to shot people who no fuck man, brother. Shit.
Facts. I'm to your shot people, you know, man, brother. I'm to you. Nah, boy. Oh, man. People. Oh, man. Yeah, man, we purge out the artists, I purge out all of the fake artists, you see me? So, we are fake artists and record, we are purge out. We don't depend on the 1 day war thing, or the 2 tune war thing, or the 3 tune war thing, I go war for real. You see me? I take out all of the fake artists, you see me? Yeah, man, if I see purgers, man, I call them out, I run them file. You see me? I say, yeah, man, we don't play with them, man. For the purge mask, we are purge them. We are purge out the answer right now. I get all of the fake artists, them out of this. You see me? Yeah, man, the boy and Messiah and TJ are pissed me off. You know, like, you see me? And then we have the Coyote and the Tentic, and the man then cut the war short, brother. You see me? That's how war work. You see me? Yeah, man, I fans them determine the winner of the war, dog, and when war done. You see me? I say, yeah, man, but the war, the one that look like kind of interesting enough, so man. We are tuning in and we are purge them out. You see me? We are purge out them blood. You can see the war mask come out, don't mean so we're ready for purge out some artists and get them out of here. And them fake. You see me? They don't do what them for do. You see me? I say, for the culture, man. But yeah, man, fully bad and DEMARCO, the man go on. Yeah, man, me excited for the one that look like say the one that can go on for a little bit, do a little exciting stuff. You see me? The man ain't got lyrics and anything. Now, like DEMARCO, I beat and teach in a second track, in a first track, in reply, and I fully bad in the beat and teach, but fully bad come back right now and full back. I just all them thing there. Fully bad smooth on the track too, bro. And I'm address all of the things that DEMARCO brought up, all of the topics he brought up, he's addressing them, and he's chopping lyrics and a tune shot. You see me and say, yo, that was interesting, entertaining. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to see where this goes, you know. So, gang, let me know anything about the one here. You see me drop in the comments in the comment section. You see me when we're ready for the war. Cause we don't have to be ready for purge them out, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, we there for purge out them bumba. I take them, get out the fake dancer out there. Oh, tired. We can't clash and do them thing. We get them out of here. You feel me? So, yeah, man, gang. Let me know anything about the one here. Drop in the comments in the comment section. Let me know anything winning. Let me know anything going to win. Who's leading so far? What's your favorite track? Who's your favorite artist? Drop all of that in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Let's chop it up. Let's get it, gang. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. Till next time, I don't know say about Jambisco. I was in here with an banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.